everyone, and welcome back to Live Nourished Today. Today's episode is all about energizing the brain for learning. Kids have busy days, from school to activities, and nutrient-packed foods can help them stay sharp and focused. Let's uncover the secrets to brain-fueling meals. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell so you never miss a new video. What does the brain need? The brain thrives on specific nutrients that help it work efficiently. Let's talk about some kid-friendly options that can support focus and memory. Colorful fruits and vegetables, brightly colored foods like berries, carrots, and bell peppers are packed with antioxidants, which protect the brain from stress and improve memory. Adding these two lunchboxes can give kids an extra boost. Protein for focus. Protein-rich foods like eggs, yogurt, and turkey provide the building blocks for brain chemicals. Starting the day with a protein-packed breakfast can help kids stay alert during morning lessons. Magnesium-rich snacks, nuts, seeds, and dark chocolate in moderation are excellent sources of magnesium, which supports relaxation and concentration. These make for great after-school snacks. Avoiding high-sodium options. High-sodium snacks can lead to sluggishness. Opt for nutrient-dense alternatives like air-popped popcorn or homemade trail mix instead. Let's put our brains to the test with some trivia. Here we go! What type of food is rich in antioxidants? A. Berries. B. Chips. Correct answers is A. Berries. Berries are full of antioxidants that support brain health. What nutrient do eggs provide that helps with focus? A. Protein. B. Sugar. Correct answer is A. Protein supports the production of brain chemicals. Which snack is a source of magnesium? A. Almonds. B. Pretzel. Correct answer is A. Almonds are magnesium-rich and great for brain function. Why should we avoid high-sodium snacks? A. They increase energy. B. They cause sluggishness. Correct answer is B. They cause sluggishness. High-sodium snacks can lead to feeling tired rather than energized. Which of these is a great breakfast option to help kids stay alert? A. Eggs and whole grain toast. B. Sugary cereal. Correct answer is A. Eggs and whole grain toast. Eggs and whole grain toast provide protein and complex carbs for sustained energy. What type of vegetable is rich in brain-friendly antioxidants? A. Fries. B. Carrots. Correct answer is B. Carrots. Carrots are a colorful vegetable packed with antioxidants, helping protect the brain. Which drink is best for hydration and focus during school? A. Water. B. Soda. Correct answer is A. Water. Staying hydrated with water helps keep the brain sharp and focused. What is a healthy way to satisfy a sweet craving? A. Dark chocolate. B. Candy bar. Correct answer is A. Dark chocolate. Dark chocolate in moderation contains magnesium and is a healthier sweet option. What kind of snack can provide long-lasting energy? A. Homemade trail mix with nuts and dried fruits. B. Chips. Correct answer is A. Homemade trail mix with nuts and dried fruits. Trail mix offers healthy fats and natural sugars for sustained energy. What's a great way to include more vegetables in a kid's lunch? A. Add sliced bell peppers or cucumber sticks. B. Pack fries. Correct answer is A. Add sliced bell peppers or cucumber sticks. Fresh, colorful veggies are an easy, nutrient-dense addition to lunch boxes. That's it for today's episode on brain-boosting foods for kids. Small changes can make a big difference in learning and focus. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tips on living nourished every day. See you soon!